Hey kids! We've got a super cool lineup of stories this week. From outer space to yawning fish, and yes, even ice cream. First up, Mars has an aurora. NASA's amazing rover Perseverance snapped the very first photo of a glowing green aurora in the sky of Mars. That's right, Mars has its own version of the northern lights. It may not be as bright as Earth's, but it's still dazzling. Scientists say this helps us learn even more about the red planet's atmosphere. Mars is full of surprises. Next, a fishy case of the yawns. Scientists just found out that tiny striped fish called zebrafish actually yawn. And guess what? Their yawns are contagious just like ours. One fish sees another fish yawn, and suddenly it's Yawn Fest 2025. This helps researchers understand how animals, even underwater, might share emotions like tiredness or stress. Pretty wild, right? And finally, it's National Ice Cream Month. Yep, every July, people all over the US celebrate the sweetest month of the year. Back in 1984, President Ronald Reagan made it official, and even gave us National Ice Cream Day, which is the third Sunday in July. So, whether you love chocolate, vanilla, or rocky road, now's the time to grab a cone and chill out. That's all for this week. Stay curious and stay kind. See you next Sunday.